Hey guys, welcome back. Mike Cosmic Creations. Just want to show off one kit that is dual purpose for what we do. The difference in the two will be these two strips here. So what this is for 2015 up to a 2021 Polaris Slingshot. And this can be used on other stuff too, but this is specifically what I built this for a gentleman. This is your hood strips. They go up the length of the hood all the way down to the front of the bumper. And then we've got the two strips here. These are for the vent, the hood vent, okay? So typically on these, what I do, and I got another video coming out, it's just been raining all week down here in South Georgia. But we'll start this piece here up at the top of the hood where the windshield is at. They'll come down that vent, and then we'll take that vent out, okay? And there's two screws on the back side of the hood. We'll take it out. And then right here where the wire is, and I got this weighted down, but where the wire is, we'll take this and tuck it right up under that hood vent and then go down the hood. And we've got some stickies, some 3M square stickies that we use to zip tie the wires in place so they don't hang down on the hood. Everything's black, so it all matches, it blends in. This same kit we use for the underbody. So this would be driver's side chassis, right side chassis, or passenger side chassis. And then these two would be mounted underneath the, I think it's like a 1-inch bumper bar, right? The bumper mount. And so they'll start in the middle, and then one will go out to the left side of the vehicle, one will go out to the right side of the vehicle, and that way they chase in sync with one another, okay? But all this stuff comes with splitters. All this stuff is plug and play. This does have 3M. Hang on. This does have your 3M double side sticky. So they also come with primer pins. You always want to make sure you wipe down everything good with alcohol real good before you stick this stuff in place. Everything's waterproof, of course. But I'll leave a link in the video description below to the website for prices and options. These will come in the double LED that you see right here, and then they come in what we call a standard, and that's basically where it's basically every other LED like you see like that. So the LEDs are more spaced out than they are right now. This is what we'll sell most of, the double LED, because people like the way it flows a little bit better. The other kit is a little bit cheaper. It's about I think 40 bucks cheaper. But that's why this one's a little bit better kit. It's just a few dollars more, but it gives a lot better lighting output as well. So anyway, if you got any questions, hit me up, let me know. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.